What's poppin', everybody? Good evening, or should I say good morning? It is 1 a.m. here. I just now realized. But welcome to my channel. On here, I talk about makeup. I do my makeup. I review different products, different brands. If you like that type of content, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Guess what I finally received after nearly a month of shipping.
One eternity later.
I received my Colourpop. Now, I love Colourpop Cosmetics, and I actually went on a haul. Well, I heard about this company last year. So during lockdown, I was doing more research, learning about different makeup brands, and I actually fell in love with Colourpop. They have their eyeshadows are very pigmented. They're really affordable. Same thing with like e.l.f., but it's good quality. You don't have to spend like over $20 for a palette. You don't have to do that. They'll sell palettes for like $7, whatever. You get the same quality as you would for, Jaclyn Hill. They do different collaborations, and it's creative ones such as like Lizzie McGuire, Malibu Barbie. They even did collaborations with LA teams like Lakers and the Warriors. And plus they're also vegan, they're cruelty free. They're not testing any products on animals, they're not harming any animals, things like that. Which is, Preston, why are you in my video?
What is my daughter?
Okay, so for one of the things I got, it was Pretty Fresh setting mist. I felt like I needed some more setting mist. It says it's oil free, ideal for all skin types, which is great because you can have oily skin, dry skin, a combination of both. It also has hyaluronic acid. It contains that, which it says it's known to hydrate and support healthy looking skin. It also contains coconut water. I smell the coconut. You can smell the coconut. And it says Pretty Fresh. And that's exactly what it smells like. It smells fresh. It smells like coconut. It smells pretty. It's exactly what it says it is. And this is Party Proof Eye Primer. It's in the shade Caramel. Y'all say caramel or caramel? Okay. Oh, okay. So the other eye primer that I have, it's the one where you take it out and you just, you squeeze. This looks like it actually has an applicator, and it does. Y'all see what shade it is. The other one that I had was real, it was white. Too white. Yep. And again, if you do not know what eye primer is a liquid product that you use on your eyelids, and it's to basically be the base and to help set the base and the foundation for the eyeshadows and the different colors that you're going to put on. It helps keep those colors intact and help them stick to your eyelid, so there's not too much smudging, not too much transfer. It also helps the colors pop. So, and if this product is supposed to help make the colors, you already know what that means. All right, y'all. I understand Halloween is over. That's perfectly fine, but Halloween is going to come back again. So I did cop the Sanderson sisters, okay? So I got 8 lipsticks from the Fresh Kiss collection. And I went online. I saw the colors. I thought the colors were hot. I needed more lipstick. So that's what I did. I did get some lip oil. I got a freckle pen. So I can have I got a freckle pen so I could have fake freckles. I tried doing freckles one time and it didn't take on very well. It looks like this. Okay. And it's in the shade dark brown. I guess that's it. I don't know what I was expecting. I know I wanted to draw on freckles. That's about it. Next thing is lippy sticks. And it's a lip primer, I believe. Okay, so this is what this looks like. the Colourpop Lippy Sticks Primer. And okay, sorry, I don't know what it was doing. And then I did get more lip liners. The last lip liners that I bought from Colourpop again was, it was either late last year or earlier this year, but there were more nude colors. So these are more colorful. They have the red, the pink. They still have some more nude and like dark browns in here as well. Last but not least, I did get an eyeshadow palette. It was called Orchid You Not. And I do have other eyeshadow palettes that are just like this. It's the orange you, I think the orange you glad. That's the orange one. I have the yellow one and I have a green one. Who's playing my eyeshadow?